week before the grass was cut, I did see some good old crabgrass strands kind of coming on up, so I don't want to take any chances. Even though I did the pre-emergent at the beginning of the season, probably even in February, I think I did it, believe it or not. It was like a couple nice days. Right now we're in the middle of April. I just want to make sure that I'm not going to be bombarded. And I've seen them in this area. Here's one. And I mean, I hit this stuff already, but they just keep creeping and creeping. And what does happen too is when you get your lawn cut, that's when they come and they spread even more so, because they're just taking everything around with it. When they're cutting, you know, the seedlings, it's just dust, you name it. So let's do it. We do it at 5. I'm not one of those measuring guys. Just want to make sure I kind of put some down here. Most of the area seems to be right about here in this section. I don't really have a problem anywhere else. So I rather just nip it in the butt before it's too late. Okay. Like I said, I wasn't going to go too crazy. It's mostly in this area, so here we go. Throw some here. Do one more little pass here. Because this is, yep, there they are. That's my friends there. Just trying to grow. It's amazing. It really is. Alright, hopefully we can prevent some crabgrass. What else can happen is, it was great, you know, the lawn had grown in nicely, and then they had come to cut it, and I actually wanted to try to get it that day because you could see them really popping up. Look, they're already growing. I mean, it should be raining any second now. And what I'll actually do is, believe it or not, I'll pull them by hand, each one of them. I'll take the time. Sometimes what I even do is I'll actually take a needle nose. This way I get all the way down on the bottom and like really rip them out. As crazy as that sounds, but if you don't do it, you can be infested. I mean, I've torn this whole lawn up before, last season, so I guess most of you probably are fanatics too. That's why you're watching this stuff.